I've managed to get my hands on this 21-year-old iPod Nano, first generation. That's right, the iPod Nano came out in September 2005. Isn't it iconic? It still even has the 30-pin connector. It's tiny. If you take this against an iPod Touch, look how small it is. I can almost just fit it in my hand, like that. The reason I've got this is because I've been reading on some forums. There's a software for this, a whole new software by Rockbox, which allows you to have a completely customizable firmware. And they have games on there, even stuff like Doom. I'm excited to try this one. Can you imagine playing Doom on this tiny little device? I'm definitely excited for this one. The iconic noise. Just listen to this. The little touchpads, even the little lock button. There was no like real turning it off. You just switched the lock button over, and the screen just used to fade and just go off. And then as soon as you twitch on again, with the hold button, so turn back on again. Right, without further ado, let's get Rockbox downloaded. With the website itself, you can see here, it's nothing fancy. Don't be put off by it though. They've been a company and a firmware been making loads for all different firmware types. And their speciality, as you will probably read across the top, Rockbox is a free replacement firmware for digital music players. It runs on a wide range of music players. So they specialize in music devices. And you can see here they have stable ports, unstable ports that they're working on at the moment. And right at the bottom, work has begun. And you can now even steer this. So they do things like, there you go, there you see Apple across there, Philips, Samsung, SanDisk. There's so many here that you can download this software for, which is crazy. And my most one that I think I want to try at some point is the Nintendo 3DS, which is crazy. We definitely need to try that. So let's get it downloaded. So we want to come up to downloads at the top and click release. And we want to download the installer and wait for that to download. And before running it, we need to plug in the iPod. Just got here a 30-pin connector. This is just one that I got off eBay. It wasn't very expensive. I think I got like 2 of them for less than a £5 or something stupid like that. So let's get this all plugged in to the computer. These 30-pin connectors. Yeah, we're spoiled with how we only have to plug stuff in one way now. There you go. Okay, so you can see it's all plugged in. On the screen, you can't really see it. It's just restoring it at the moment because whoever was using this before was using a setup with a MacBook. However, we have to, for this format, we have to set it up on a FAT32 file for Windows. It's the only way that this is going to work. So I've plugged it in. I had to open it with iTunes and restore it so it resets and formats the drive on here. We can go ahead and open up the software. Okay, you can see here I have downloaded and extracted the whole package here. I'm guessing, because you've got these two here, but I'm guessing I've got to actually run the main utility for it to work. So we want to go to Apple. We've got the iPod Nano first gen. There it is. Stable version. It's found it there, right at the top. Device is there. Themes. Themes allow adjusting, customize. So we can customize the themes. Voice file. Still prefer voice file, manual, save a copy of the manual on the player. Bulgarian, okay. I'm guessing we just go ahead and crack on. So on the actual device itself, it's just saying do not disconnect. Okay, it's doing something, it's extracting files, that's a good sign, Just says do not disconnect. You can't really see the screen from there of how faint it is, but that's what it's saying at the moment. Okay, we appear to be finished. It says package installation finished successful. So if I click OK, I'm guessing I can then click eject. Let's click eject. Device successfully ejected. Okay. Like, oh, it's restarting. Oh, yes. Look at that. Look at that. The software on there. There's loads of stuff on here. Files, database, setting. So plugins, systems, shortcuts. All right, let's have a look at files. Okay, not much on that. So it uses your database, Resume playback. Plugins. Games. Oh, what's applications on here? Let's have a look at this. Oh, okay. Chess clock. Dart scorer. Okay. It's loads. Keybox. Key ramp. So much stuff on here. This is all stuff that you just wouldn't even really think about. Rock paint. How do you draw? I need to try and get back. Okay, I found out how to get out. You have to click menu and the middle button at the same time, and it brings up a menu and you can click exit. Whew, okay. So let's go and let's go back into these plugins, shall we? It's gonna be interesting. 2048, Amaze, Blackjack, Brickmania, Chessbox, Chopper. Oh no, is this gonna be is this gonna be oh my god, it's so hard to play this on here. Look at that. I'll blame it on the iPod. Who remembers this game? Look at it. That brings back nostalgia. That brings back nostalgia. That really does. Quit that. Chopper, clicks, dice. There's Doom, look. Duked. We will play Doom. We will play it. But I just want to know what else is on here. So many games on here, but one that's just really caught my eye is Quake. Quake? How do they play Quake on here? It's Doom as well, I guess. Look, don't get me wrong. The graphics are all messed up. Something failed. Ooh. It doesn't like the graphics. Quake is not playable. But yeah, they've got so many games on here to try. So many little arcade games. I think we're gonna have to do it. I hope Doom doesn't have any of the the 3D graphics glitches that Quake just did. Freedom. Oh, is this? Oh, play game. Clicking the wrong thing. Here we go. Come on, come on. Will you load? Will you load? Is it gonna load? Look at this. Obviously, this is not going to be ideal, but oh, new game. What does that say? Let's just play. Oh, it look. Can you see that? There's my gun. Oh wow, this is gonna be hard to control. What's that? I'm getting hurt. How do I shoot? I died. It's not ideal playing it, but it's cool that you can have it. It's cool that you can definitely play it anyway. So there you go, guys. We did this for a little bit of fun. And you know what? I quite like it. You still have all your playlists and bits and pieces in here anyway, so you can still add all your music on here. It all still works. So there you go, look. It's all there. It's a good bit of fun. But guys, it's just interesting, isn't it? There's so much you can do with these. Since exploring old technology again and uses for them, if you have one of these in the drawer, okay, it's not perfect. But all those other little arcade games like Chopper and stuff like that, as well as just having your thing. Brick is still on there. These old iPod Nanos did have a game of Brick. I think it was like Brick Frenzy, something like that. So Brick is still on there. You don't lose that iconic game at the same time. But guys, let me know if you have a iPod Nano first generation or any other iPod as such sitting in your drawer somewhere. Get out, use it. There's all these things. You saw the list on that website of all the stuff that they do for. It just adds a little bit more fun back into it again, doesn't it, as well? And do you know what? I think sometimes with a dedicated music player like these, you just can't lose. Loads of people are going back to them, like the old iPod classics. Loads of people, the prices of them have gone back up on eBay massively. They must be getting used. Just plain simple music player without having to take your phone out as well on a run, something along those lines. But guys, let me know if you are enjoying these videos. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Go check out the merchandise, and if you want to support the channel even further, then do consider being a member. Hit that join button down below. Come and join the family and get a say in how this channel moves forward and get perks along the way, like early access to videos, and I will catch everyone in the next one.